morning everybody. Today I thought we could make a Play-Doh monster. So I've made some Play-Doh. So if you don't have any from the shop, it's really easy to make your own Play-Doh. So I am going to split it into two and I'm going to make two different monsters. I have got some buttons, some pipe cleaners, some straws and some googly eyes. But you can put anything onto your monster that you like. So for my first monster, I'm going to roll the Play-Doh into a sausage shape. Okay, I think that's good. So this part is the top of my monster. And I think I am going to use some of my pipe cleaners and I am going to stick my googly eyes on the top. So I need some tape. I've already cut some tape and I'm going to stick the eyes on here. So you might need a little bit of help from mummies or daddies when you're doing this, okay? And then I'm going to stick one of the pipe cleaners in like that. And then I'll do the other one. Stick that down. And I will stick, whoops, this one in as well. So I have two eyes. And then I'm going to give him some arms. So I'm going to use a straw for this. So I need my scissors and I'm going to cut the straw. And then I will stick one this side and one in this side. Ooh, wow, he's looking really good. And then this monster has lots of circles on him, so I'm going to use some round buttons and I am going to push them into the Play-Doh. Because Play-Doh is squishy, this is easy to do. There we go. You can use different size buttons. Now my monster doesn't have any legs. He just slithers about. Should we make our second monster now? Now for the second monster, I'm just going to push him down. He's going to be a round, fat monster. And I am just going to push the eyes in to the Play-Doh this time. And I'm going to give him 3 eyes. 1, 2, 3. And this time he is going to have 1, 2, 3 arms, 4, 5, 6 arms. Wow! And then I am going to put some straws on the top of his head for little antennas. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see my monsters look completely different, don't they? I wonder what your monster will look like. Why don't you make 1, 2, you make 3 Play-Doh monsters. Don't forget to send us a photo so that we can see too. Bye.